Redeeming airline miles and credit card points for flights is confusing, and most people redeem their hard-earned miles and points for just 1 cent per point, or sometimes even less. Instead of redeeming your points for low value, in this video tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use PointMe to get more value out of your airline miles and credit card points, and some maximizing strategies that you can use to double or sometimes even triple or quadruple the value of your miles and points. PointMe is the sponsor of today's video, and my name is Max, and I hope people maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does help my channel, and let's get started. So what is PointMe? PointMe is a tool that will search in real time and tell you how many credit card points or airline miles it'll cost for a flight. It works for over 30 loyalty programs and 150 airlines, searching all simultaneously in real time, making it easier to find award flights, especially for people that are not experts in miles and points. Think of it this way. You can search multiple airline websites for flights to see how many points or miles it would cost to fly where you want to fly. You can go to the American Airlines website, you can go to Southwest's website, and then you can go to United website, and then you can also go over to Delta's website and search, and it'll tell you how many miles or points they'll charge for the flight or where you want to fly, which can be time consuming, it can be confusing, and just annoying. PointMe cuts out all that and runs all the search for you across multiple different airlines, different combination of routes, and points redemption options, so it's quicker and easier and a lot less annoying. So you can make sure you're getting the best deal with your credit card points or airline miles. And sometimes PointMe does give you options that you probably didn't even think about to really maximize your credit card points or your airline miles. So how does PointMe work? Let's go over to my computer and I'll show you how it works. So I'm here on the PointMe website. You go to point.me and it'll take you here. You can select one way or round trip. Let's go and select one way, one passenger for now, economy and premium economy. You can also select business or first class, but I'm going to click on economy and premium economy. And then I'm going to do San Diego to Chicago, and let's change the date to April 15th and then run the search. And then once you run the search, on the bottom left here, you can see that it's searching 14 so far out of the 33 different programs that it searches in real time. And so that's the key thing. It's searching in real time. And since it's searching in real time, it might take a little bit. It takes about like 30 seconds to 90 seconds to complete the search, but at least you know it's running the real time search so that it gives you the most accurate award space. It's one of the reasons why I like PointMe. A lot of the other tools rely on cache data that might be a couple hours old, it might be a couple of days old, it might be a couple of weeks old. This is real-time award space. And so starting at the top here, you can filter the results based on your parameters, airlines, select one specific airline if you want to. There's a number of stops, times, and then programs as well. And so say you want to use American Express points only, you can click on only here, or you want to use Capital One miles or Chase points only, you can click on only and it'll give you all the options only for Chase points. Or if you want to do Chase points and American Express points, because that's the type of points that you have, you can do that as well. I'm going to select all programs here. I'm going to do stops, do nonstop, and I don't care too much about the airline. Programs is all programs. And then you can also sort here by the quickest flight. You can also sort by low to high, which I like to do because I'm trying to maximize my points. Or you can select PointMe picks, which are what PointMe thinks is the best option. I'm gonna change this back to low to high. And this flight up here requires the fewest amount of points. And then over here on the right, what's telling me is that I can take my built points, I can take 9,500 built points, and then transfer over it to American Airlines to book this American Airlines flight for 9,500 points. If I hit this button, it'll give me more about the flight information. And one thing I love about PointMe is that it gives me booking options. And so see down here, it says 23 additional options. Well, what if I don't have built points? Then I can click on view booking options, and it shopped this flight around through different partner airlines to see how many points partner airlines are charging for the same exact flight. And so for example, I can take my Capital One points and transfer it to British Airways and book for 14,500 points instead. Or I can take my Chase points and transfer it over to British Airways, and I would have to transfer 15,000 points. Or maybe I have Brex points, or if I have Citi Thank You points, I can take my Citi Thank You points, transfer it to Asia Miles, and book for 15,000 points. And so it already ran all the possibilities of using different credit card points, different airline miles, and figuring out like how could I book this American airline flights. And it tells me the real-time award availability of how much exactly it's going to cost. So say I want to book with Chase points, I can click select deal, and then this walks you through the step-by-step instructions on exactly how to book this flight. So number 1, prepare your account. Number 2, transfer the points, and then book the flight. It tells me the transfer times up here as well. And so it would be an instant transfer between Chase over to British Airways. And if you want more information on exactly how to book this, you can click on book your flights, and it walks you step by step with a video on the right-hand side of how to make the booking and gives you the necessary links on the left side so that if you don't have a British Airways account, you can click on this and go sign up for a British Airways account. So it gives you the exact step by step, which is super nice and very helpful. Transferring points can sometimes be scary, especially if you're new to miles and points, and PointMe has a solution for this as well if you need that extra help. And if you go back a little bit here, and down here you can see that it says submit a concierge booking request. And so PointMe has a team of experts of miles and points people that can help you make this booking. There's a fee associated with it depending on how many passengers and what you're trying to book. But if you click on this, you can submit a concierge request, and Point.me's concierge team of experts will handle the booking for you. So that's how PointMe works. It searches 33 different loyalty programs all at once to find award flights and different routings and different combinations of points and booking options, and presents you with the best way to maximize your points for where you want to travel. It's beginner friendly, and you don't have to go to each individual airline's website and run this search every single time, so it saves you a bunch of time. A more advanced miles and points feature that I love about PointMe is that it also shows you the most up-to-date transfer bonuses as well. It does the math for you and also factors that into the search results, so it tells you how to maximize your points, including the transfer bonuses. Transfer bonuses can be a big determining factor that can turn a good deal into a great deal, and PointMe keeps up to date with those transfer bonuses and works it all into the flight results whenever you run a search, so you don't have to do the math or reference another website to see what the current transfer bonuses are. Also, if you didn't catch it earlier in the demo, PointMe also provides estimates for taxes and fees as well, and there could be significant impacts on your redemptions. For example, some airlines like Virgin Atlantic charges less in points, but way more in taxes and fees. Meanwhile, other airlines charge more in points and less in taxes and fees. PointMe displays the taxes and fees, enabling you to decide whether to redeem more points or pay more in taxes and fees. This feature is incredibly helpful in deciding on whether to redeem more points and less in taxes and fees, or vice versa. And as someone that's deep into miles and points like me, I still use PointMe for what I call shopping. I narrow down the travel dates of good award flight deals through newsletters or posts on Twitter, Reddit, Flyer Talk, blogs, and etc. And once I've identified a good deal for a particular flight, I try to maximize my points even further, and I compare it with other partner airlines to see if they charge less in miles and points for the same exact flight. This is where I input my flight into PointMe, and it does the shopping for me, telling me where and how to transfer my points for the best redemption value. So I don't have to go to each individual airline partner's website to run the search and compare my options. PointMe takes care of all that for me. And there has been several occasions where PointMe found options that I initially missed or didn't even think of. And so now whenever I find a good deal, I always run it through PointMe to ensure that I'm maximizing my points. It's my way of double checking to ensure that I'm not leaving any points on the table and not redeeming more points than I need to. So how much does PointMe cost? Well, the self-service booking tool costs $5 for a 24-hour starter pass. This is a great way if you want to run a few searches, and then the standard plan begins at $129 per year and includes unlimited searches, customized search results based on your rewards, access to the best current reward deals, and exclusive tips for replenishing your points. The standard plan is what I have, and I'm always deal hunting, so unlimited searches works best for me. The premium plan, on the other hand, is a little more expensive at $260 per year and includes everything in the standard plan, as well as a 10% discount on all concierge services and annual personalized miles and points checkups, and 5 annual starter passes as gifts for friends and family. I think the added cost of the premium plan is worth it for anyone who needs concierge services throughout the year, which I don't, but you might. So overall, is PointMe worth it? For how much time PointMe saves me, I think it's worth it, and I know it'll save you a ton of time on reward searches too. It's the reason why I pay for my own Point Me subscription every year since Point Me launch. And if anybody at Point Me is watching and wants to gift me a subscription, let me know. My renewal date is coming up. If you're interested in signing up for Point Me, check the link in the description, and using that link helps support my work. Comment below if you have any questions, and remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching this far, and I'll see you guys in the next one.